Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. So the first thing that you're going to do right here to fix this issue is go to your phone settings. So let's go here on settings and try to go here on apps and then go to manage apps or apps management. And from here, you just need to search for Snapchat app. And here need to tap on this storage and we'll need to go here on clear data. So you need to clear cache and go to manage space and you need to delete app data. So once you've done deleting this app data right here, you need to go back to the settings homepage. Now from here, all you need to do is go to search box and type time and find that date and time settings right here. So tap this one. Now from here, need to toggle off this set time and zone automatically. Then go to select time zone and choose other region right here. For example, I want to go here on United States and go to Honolulu. So as you can see, if you change that region on your mobile phone, you can retry to reopen your Snapchat app. So that's how you basically fix this Snapchat device ban. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.